Oh shit. Yeah, there we go. Damn. I'm eating a TV dinner right now. Sorry, everybody's still asleep. TV dinner, we got the bait right there. We got my nasty Dr. Pepper. And we got some beverages in there. Now it's the yellows and oranges. It's beautiful. Man, it's like perfect right now. But now let's get this shit in the truck. Get a little shit box. Ain't nothing like playing a little Tool in the morning, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Anyway, it's an abandoned church. I don't like abandoned churches. It's a nice place though. I don't know where we're gonna be fishing at, but somewhere over here. People are probably looking at me like, what the fuck is this tweaker doing? Well, I was gonna call you last night after we got done conversating and shit. And I don't know, you were doing something. I was editing or something, and then my dad texted me and I was like, yeah, I wanna fucking go. Who doesn't wanna go fish? I'm a huge fisherman. That's what most of my content's about. But
really?
Yeah, and then
dude, I got a pond. I met a guy to fucking on and he's like, yeah, man, y'all can take whatever the fuck y'all want as far as fish, right? I got his number, man. He said just give him a call.
For real, dude? You're getting me chills right now. Look, give me chicken skin.
Yeah, dude, for real. He said he put all of his trophy fish in that motherfucker. That's what he stocked it with. Dude,
I'm pissed you off because like I'm so bad about texting, dude. I'll just keep sending instead of it being one paragraph. I'm just like, fucking send. Yeah. Oh wait, another idea, send. So.
No, I'm the same way, dude. A little ADHD.
Dude, I got a lot of fucking ADHD. Like, too much. But... Is that Dad? Yeah, it is my dad. But... Here, hold on. You made it? Yeah. Where are we going? We have to park here or no? No. Okay, good. Because there's been a lot of assholes around here. Okay. Bye. Fucking mom's not a morning person at all.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're out here. Gorgeous.
Where you want to go?
Oh shit. This is what I'm talking about.
I said breathe in, breathe out. I'm not gonna scream and shout. I said breathe in, breathe out. Don't knock their ass out.
Already look, rings. This is a honey hole, Dad.
I know this.
This is what we've been waiting for. There's rings.
Okay.
Oh, okay. We're gonna leave card up here, but if we could push back this way.
Stop for a second.
How'd they get the view? Hey, boat. If I would have caught all the footage that I just did, you'll wonder why. I've been a mile, nothing but sand, with a cart. We're almost here though. Let's get it. Fuck. Where's my cameraman at, dude? It's just fucking annoying. Where the fuck did they go? Sure. Be my camera person real quick.
Yeah.
Alright guys, y'all just missed it. I knew I should put on my GoPro, but nice old, what would you call it, dag drum? Carp?
Yeah.
Bottom feeder? I don't know how to get a fight. Just release them back in the water. Nice old pretty fish. Let's get it. All right. Take two. Nice old honey hole here. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I came over here. I was already fishing over there, and I came over here, did a couple casts, yoink, yoink, and I knew I should have got it on camera. Already got my GoPro, but we're gonna do it again. So I'm just gonna put it right here. That's what I caught that carp on. Over here thinking it's bass. I'm at a river. It ain't gonna be big drum or. Caught a drum, did good. And then Dad snapped his line. Sound like a gunshot. And then what do? I lost my $10 lure. Gone. But right now I'm trying to catch me something I can put on the bottom, so I'll just put that rig with a cork out there, a little bit of a worm, and then I'll nag that one up, put it on my big rig, and check it out way over there where those, I don't know, mini dam or spill. It's beautiful out here. That was a good fight. I literally, my intuition was telling me, before you cast, go get your GoPro. And I missed it. It was pretty cool though. I've only caught one drum, or I caught a shepherd drum, but that was on a jug line. That was pretty fun. It was a 13-pound shepherd drum. It was pretty cool. See you now. That's my dad. He's talking. He's talking. He's like, where's mama? Where's mama? Nice old channel cat though. Release him. Well, you sure the hell act like you had something there.
It sure acted like it whenever I was.
Oh, live bait. Live bait.
It was in somebody's mouth.
Turtle?
Nope.
Is old boy still here? No shit, my dumbass. Got a nice old cat, channel cat. But the first one I got, both lines broke by the way. I wish he would stop moving. He's slapping me. Fuck, he's slapping me. That bad boy.
Cat's going back to the water.
Almost stepped on a cat, but it's okay. Look, pretty old drum. We're gonna do, or not drum, carp. Jeez, having a drilling rush right now. There we go, my guys. I'm gonna get it on. I'm gonna start putting on my chest mount, but. All right, get back in the water. Let's get this cat cleaned up, put him on the line. I'm about to change stringer, or not stringer, fishing line, because I got 17-pound mono. £17-pound mono, and both of it just broke. Snap. We'll get rolling. Oh, Ma's on.
I'm coming, baby. It's on.
You need
Check
to
it.
be online.
Got retested. Thanks, so good. Did something wrong. Oh, there's no weight to it, that's why. I forgot I got the weights in my pocket. About to get a bite anyway. Oh shit. Yeah, there we go. Nah. It's a fish. Oh.
Easy. Bring him up here. That's a carp. Yeah. Easy.
This is what I'm talking about.
Okay, quit fucking around.
Dad, it's alright.
No, it's not. This is a big fish, boy. Could be a gar. Turn it.
Damn.
Easy. Bring it over here, Michelle. Come this way, son. Come this way. Easy. It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. Easy. It's a blue. Easy. Let him play. Let him play. Not so. Give him some drag. Just don't play with your drag.
Don't.
Don't.
Okay.
Easy. Easy. It's a catfish. It's a big one. Easy.
Yep.
Easy. Big channel. Big channel. Big channel. Big channel. I don't want to grab that line.
Yep. I just don't know how good my line is up there.
Yeah, I get it. Big bulkhead.
That's a yellow belly?
Yep.
Are you shitting me? That's the biggest yellow belly I've ever seen in my life. Whew. Is my camera red? Is it blinking red, Dad?
Son, I am not.
My camera?
I can't see any red light.
Yeah, it's going.
You better. You can put him on stringer.
Okay.
Can I have my finger?
Damn, he's fat.
Yeah, but you
That you're the fish.
That's a fish making sounds. You want a picture?
Yeah. Damn. It is recording.
Gotcha.
Is it red? Is it blinking red? Hmm?
How do you fish and not have a stream?
I usually catch and release, Dad. I really do.
I was going to catch fish for a fish fry.
Man, I just got weak ass. Oh, you know what? I got my big rig over there. What am I doing? You little buddy. Let me grab your tail. Little buddy. Alright. Alright, that just happened. I just got this big rig. I don't know why I keep fishing. I'm just so used to crappie and bass, but that was a fight. Like, my heart is just, I don't know. Anyway, we got this big rig going on, so we're gonna go from there and see. We're gonna re-rig that one and put on, so right there, that's all. No brushes. Oh, missed them. Don't tell me my hook's gone. Are you kidding me? Dad, I had a hook, big old hook on there. It's gone. I just had a big old bite.
Where'd the hook go?
I tied it good. I tied a double loop, quadruple loop.
Here's the rod.
I'm just gonna let it kind of just. Oh, we're in a bite already. Watch. If I see my line. Nope. Probably already took it. Yeah. Damn. There's a couple worms right here. Look, falling out. Stuck on them, didn't even know it. Huh. I put a big old liver with a t-shirt, cut up t-shirt on that line. And then oh, I said I was gonna do top water. Damn it. I'll do a couple casts of these.
Tanny.
Nice. Keeper? That a round trap?
Yep.
Wow. You get him over there? No. You don't want it?
No.
Where's the little baby one? Swallowed it.
Yeah.
Look, watch. Stop. Look. Here's the best way to do this. You got him? I got him. You want to open it up one way? Work it in.
Mmm. Sounds like a hooker on Saturday night. It'll probably be a Monday morning. Oh shit. Did I get that on recording? Is it recording? Probably not. Oh.
That should already have a hole to its lip.
I know, but did you see that? No, I almost lost the fucking line. So I got a bait cast from my recording. Plopper, plopper. Where'd it go? Did you get one? My feet are fucking raw. Huh?
What do I think about what? He's right.
I'm on top of the world. Aw, I love family. Hey, should I do it for the GoPro? Aim for the bushes? Daddy's here. Already made this far. Look at right there. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Oh shit. Damn it. Dude. What the fuck? It was a fucking journey, my guy. Listen.